Welcome back, photography enthusiasts! Today's video is a must-watch for anyone in search of a very affordable and ideal daily use camera. We've scored Amazon to bring you the top 10 cameras that will elevate your photography and videography experiences. Whether you're a seasoned professional, a passionate vlogger, or simply someone who cherishes capturing life's beautiful moments, this video is tailored just for you. We understand the significance of finding that perfect camera, and that's why we've meticulously curated this list, complete with detailed specifications and features. Get ready to embark on a journey through the most cutting-edge technology. From powerful sensors to high-speed processors, we've got it all covered. So, if you're ready to step up your photography game or enhance your vlogging adventures, grab your popcorn, sit back, and let's unravel the world of the best daily use cameras Amazon has to offer. Without wasting a moment more, let's jump right into the excitement. Our first contender on the list is the Canon EOS M50 Mark U. This mirrorless camera is a favorite among many due to its compact size and impressive features. It boasts a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and DIGIC-8 image processor, delivering stunning image quality and fast autofocus performance. The EOS M50 Mark II also offers 4K video recording at 24 FPS, making it an excellent choice for videographers. With its built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can easily transfer your photos and videos to your devices. This camera is perfect for everyday photography and vlogging. Next up, we have the Sony A6400. This mirrorless camera is a powerhouse in a small package. It features a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor and BIONZ-X image processor, providing excellent image quality and high-speed performance. The A6400 comes with impressive autofocus capabilities, including real-time IAF and real-time tracking, ensuring sharp and focused shots every time. Additionally, it offers 4K HDR video recording and a 180-degree tiltable touchscreen, making it a popular choice among content creators. Moving on, let's talk about the Fujifilm X-T4. This mirrorless camera is known for its exceptional image stabilization system, allowing you to capture smooth and steady shots even in challenging conditions. It features a 26.1 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor and X processor 4, delivering impressive image quality and processing speed. The X-T4 offers 4K video recording at 60 FPS and a 3-inch articulating touchscreen, making it a versatile choice for both photography and videography enthusiasts. Now, let's explore the Nikon Z50. This compact mirrorless camera is perfect for beginners and amateur photographers. It comes with a 20.9 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and an EXP-EED6 image processor, delivering sharp and detailed images. The Z50 features 4K UHD video recording at 30 FPS and a flip-down touchscreen, making it convenient for vlogging and capturing creative selfies. With its user-friendly interface and lightweight design, the Nikon Z50 is an excellent option for daily use. Our next camera on the list is the Panasonic Lumix GH5. This Micro Four Thirds mirrorless camera is a favorite among videographers due to its impressive video capabilities. It boasts a 20.3 megapixel sensor and Venus Engine 10 processor, providing excellent image quality and fast processing speeds. The GH5 offers 4K video recording at 60 FPS and 6K photo mode, allowing you to extract high-resolution stills from your videos. With its professional-grade video features and robust build, the Lumix GH5 is a top choice for filmmakers and content creators. Moving on to a popular DSLR option, we have the Nikon D5600. This entry-level DSLR camera is perfect for beginners who want to step up their photography game. It features a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor and an EXP-EED4 image processor, delivering impressive image quality and low light performance. The D5600 offers full HD video recording at 60 FPS and a 3.2-inch vari-angle touchscreen, making it easy to capture creative angles in shots. With its user-friendly interface and built-in SnapBridge technology, transferring photos to your devices is a breeze. Let's now talk about the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. This compact point-and-shoot camera is a favorite among vloggers and content creators. It features a 20.1 megapixel 1-inch CMOS sensor and DIGIC 8 image processor, delivering impressive image quality and fast performance. The G7X Mark IV offers 4K video recording at 30 FPS and a 3-inch tiltable touchscreen, making it perfect for vlogging on the go. With its live streaming capabilities and compact design, this camera is popular for social media influencers and vlogging enthusiasts. Another excellent option for daily use is the Sony RX100 VII. This premium compact camera packs a punch with its impressive features. It comes with a 20.1 megapixel 1-inch Exmor RS CMOS sensor and BIONZ X image processor, delivering stunning image quality and fast autofocus performance. The RX100 VII offers 4K video recording at 30 FPS and an impressive 90 FPS continuous shooting speed, making it ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects. With its compact size and advanced features, this camera is a great choice for travel and everyday photography. Moving on, let's explore the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV. This Micro Four Thirds mirrorless camera is known for its in-body image stabilization and versatile shooting modes. It features a 20.3 megapixel live MOS sensor and TruePic VII image processor, delivering excellent image quality and high-speed performance. The EM10 Mark IV offers 4K video recording at 30 FPS and a 2.36 m OLED electronic viewfinder, providing a clear and detailed view of your shots. Its compact and lightweight design makes this camera perfect for travel and everyday photography. Last but certainly not least, we have the Panasonic Lumix GH5 This bridge camera is an excellent choice for those who want the flexibility of a super zoom lens. It features a 20.1 megapixel 1-inch high-sensitivity MOS sensor and Venus engine processor, delivering impressive image quality and fast autofocus performance. The FC1000U offers 4K video recording at 30 FPS and a 5-axis hybrid optical image stabilizer, ensuring sharp and steady shots even at high zoom levels. With its 16x optical zoom lens and ergonomic design, this camera is perfect for capturing distant subjects and wildlife. And there you go, our carefully curated selection of the top 10 daily use affordable cameras accessible on Amazon. Regardless of whether you're deeply passionate about photography, a dedicated vlogger, or someone who cherishes capturing life's fleeting moments, the ideal camera awaits you. It's crucial to factor in elements like sensor size, resolution, autofocus features, and video recording capabilities when making your choice. We trust that this video has provided valuable insights, steering you toward the perfect camera that aligns with your needs and aspirations. Remember, photography is not just about freezing time. It's about capturing emotions, creating memories, and telling stories. Armed with the knowledge from our recommendations, you're well equipped to embark on your creative journey. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for regular updates and amazing content about the tech world. Here's to finding the camera that will be your partner in documenting life's beautiful moments. Happy capturing!